honest. Nobody worry about me, that's not making profit. I know my
She love coffee, artist. Flow, she wants some coffee, artist.
Yo, my dad. Yo. I have to listen to Soji TV entertainment. You must be full to bumbo.
are the things I love. Not just nobody, just elite and jokes. No.
What's good, viewers and subscriber? Good morning. From here, the voice, you know who you know. I mean, I say, yo, I go talk about two artists today, no man. The first one I go talk about goes by the name Skippa. And in drop a song titled 1DADDY Badness for Life. You see, pre 1DB4L. You see, pre. I mean, I say, yo, the artist are venting another one, no man. You know, yeah, man, you can see, say, artists are feel a little pain, same way. Cause you don't know. You don't know who is Daddy Badness, you know, man. You know, say it's a one done. You see me? Yeah, man. You know, say thing solid in a way where the artist, you don't know what kind of relationship the artist have with that person, but the artist, I mean, couldn't know, say, a 1DADDY Badness for life. You see, pray, and you can listen and hear it pain in an artist song, same way, you know, say, a one nine personal that drop. You see me? One of favorite person or one of person them when look up to. We not to really know the connection, but we not talk about that right now. We are talking about the music. I don't know say from Skippa touchy dancehall scene, Skippa already drop some quality songs out there and he ever stay in a lane. You see pre. So I want to know guys we just go by artists. You see me? And go type RIP, 1DADDY Badness. You see pre over Skippa. Yeah man, cause you don't know say we there we are listening music, but you don't know say anything we surround the music we have always hear to and be aware of. You see me? So I want to know guys we just go over Skippa and make Skippa know say yo go and hold it artist and go and put out some conscious songs same way, cause you don't know what if a fans you about here, you know man. You see me? You know say Soji TV entertainment out here attack and we know say yo go over Skippa and make him know say I me sending over there. You see pre.
Call on my phone. Call on my phone.
I mean, say go and hold it in a artist. You feel your pain in a man. You know. So go and stay relevant same way and make the people them know how you feel same way. Cause them thing they are gonna let out, you know. It's steam, you know. You not do nothing out of the way. You see, pray. I mean, I say, oh, big up man like Rich Together Entertainment, Charge Records, and them a part of production. I mean, I say, yo, me need to talk long, you know, man. Me jump in a other review talk about the other artists. So I say, yo, no go over Skippa and make Skippa know say a Soji TV entertainment over here drop a bad review. So if you just check it out and give him support, said we. Night time on Jet.
Badness, no girl can't tell me ticklish.
Viewers, that song is titled Bad Bitch. And the artist them a feature in it. The first one named Chance Boss and the next one named Patta. I mean, I say viewers and subscribers, come like them the artists I love when girls suck off them big toe. You see, free. I be a thing the artists them are saying that song of viewers and subscribers. I know Chance Boss is a youth where me used to go to school with and he even surprised me because me never know say my artist until about 3 days ago. And upon Instagram me there go and scroll through and me see. Who me see and Pink Wall post the dog video. I mean I say me no know that youth yeah. And when me listen to his song and when me see say song released about couple days ago, me I say, oh, me have to give dog a review. You see me? Me don't know Patta, but Patta I go and say thing in a song same way. Cause I know the two of them are on collab. You see me? And the artist them a chat, be a thing. So I want to know guys, we go over Chance Boss, Vivo, and make him know say a Soji TV entertainment sending over there. Yeah man, the artist have some song over there on you can listen man. You have a catalog of song. My name go over Patta Vivo go check it out. But want to know guys go check out him same way and make him know say I'm sending over there. You make a little piece more song and let's wrap up this. On Jeds, Madam Me.
Pussy say I break we laugh with. You think I laughing, no side they laughing.
You know how Chance Bass remind me of Ace God. How we become other artists? You me not hear nothing from the artist there. But anyways, them three artists are Sentan artists, them viewers and subscribers. For sure you say artists them a be persistent. Sentan artists them a start put out the work hard right now. Me I tell you viewers and subscribers. So I want to know guys we just go tune into the artists them and go give them a support. I mean, I have to big up man like Coleman. I him first believe in them two artists there. You see me? To record the artist them and distribute the artist them and produce the artist them. So I want to know guys, we just go by artist them Vivo and make the artist them know say a Soji TV Entertainment so no know over there. You see me? I mean I say yo, viewers and subscriber, I hope you know have a productive day now, you know man. You know the thing going on man. I want to know if you hit the subscribe button and be notified each time I drop a video. I want to know if you drop some comments, like up the video, share up the video, and make a friend know say me over here I do some review with artists. And if you don't have no artists, you know can make the artists them know say you don't have a bad review over here. You must start so you just know so you just give you strength and we go no back a straight on J.